Welcome. I'm Professor Gail MacDonald, Academic Advisor to the Hinrich Foundation. The Hinrich Foundation's mission is to advance mutually beneficial and sustainable global trade. It does this through trade research and education. In the complex world of global trade, there is strong demand for trained leaders. Competition for agile talent is intense. But how to stand out to secure employment that will fast-track your trade career? An effective channel is through master's study, to develop the skills and knowledge that global trade employers require. To help you identify the master's program that's right for you, we offer the Hinrich Foundation Guide to Master's Programs in International Business and Trade. The Hinrich Foundation Guide outlines the essential trade course content and program attributes that exemplary programs embody. This has been based on years of work by an advisory panel of international employers, educators, and master's graduates. The guide features 20 MBA and specialized master's programs that are exemplars of quality trade education. There's also a list of key questions for you to answer to help you find the program that is right for you. The guide highlights a range of careers across global trade value chains and offers insight into contemporary global trade issues with free access to articles, white papers, infographics, and more. So if you would like to learn more, please explore the Hinrich Foundation Guide on the website, where you'll be able to find helpful details as well as free downloadable resources.